Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a creative animation using Canva. So guys, I already went ahead and selected everything that I'll be needing for this design. I'm now going to assemble everything. So I'm going to turn down the transparency on each of the shapes to 0. And now I'm going to group it to each pizza. I'm going to now do the same thing for the next side. Now that I've completed that step, I'm going to create the background for this design. So now that the background is finished, I'm going to go ahead and add my text. I'm going to change the font. going to change the color of this one. I'm going to add an effect. I'm going to change the color of this one to black. Okay, so the next step is to drag the pizzas from each side. I'm going to drag it to the middle. Then I'm going to duplicate the page. Then I'm going to change the size of this one. Bring it to the corner. Now I'm going to drag the next pizza. And we're going to do the same thing for the remaining pizzas. So now I'm going to put this in the middle. So I'm going to bring it over and then I'm going to extend it. So once we're through with all of that, we're going to add the transition, match and move. And there we have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more.